Welcome to the Epic Food Discovery channel. These are all our ingredients for today's recipe. We have some grounded walnuts, we have baking powder. Here we have about 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, cinnamon, 3 eggs, the sliced and diced pumpkin, and a cup of raisins. And half a cup of sunflower oil. We use this small cup for reference, but it's half a cup. First step, we're gonna mix the eggs with the sugar. Make sure you mix them well until they make a nice foam. We are adding the vanilla essence and the sunflower oil, and continue to mix it. Add the pumpkin. Now mix it. We mix in this bowl the flour, the baking powder, and the cinnamon. Add the composition of flour, baking powder, and cinnamon to the bowl and keep mixing. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, make sure you subscribe and like our channel. More recipes are coming. Add the walnuts and the raisins. Make sure you preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Put the composition in a pan. This is the pan that we're using for our recipe right now. Now we'll take it and put it in the oven. This is our pumpkin cake. Now it's time to taste it. So soft and crunchy. Works best with a cup of coffee or tea, and it's perfect for this very cold Sunday afternoon. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, and let us know down in the comments how would you make this better, or if you tried something similar before, or if you have any other suggestions, and what would be your own twist to this kind of cake. Thank you very much. Have a great day.